Hey everyone, it's Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au with the fantastically wonderful
Oscar.
joining me this morning to unbox a good old favourite that we've just had arrive, the update. So you want to tell us a bit about it, Oscar, or do you want me to lead off?
I'll start. My opinion, it's my favourite coin.
Yeah.
Started, 2017 was the first silver one. And it's been going for a while with the gold, and exciting to open it.
Yeah. Well, do you want to, how about you do the honours of opening it?
It's too good to me, Michael.
So it's still the same design. We've still got the Springbok on there. It's got 2022 written on it instead of the previous year 21. So.
Okay, so there's 20 in here and 25 a tube. When I started with a kilogram bar, and I went to a bullion store and I saw this coin. I just came in for the bar, and then I saw this coin and I got 10 of them, gave my friend 4 of them for his birthday.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, good birthday present. You want to be my friend?
Yeah,
and yeah. So I just, ever since, it's held a place in my heart because it was my first coin.
Excellent. So the design pops for you, or it's just the fact
I like the simplicity and also the kind of the matted backgrounds. I think it's got a nice shine, and also the board is spectacular, I think.
The 2022s are in stock. Again, it's the same basic design as you'll see on the pictures as they come through, but it does have that updated year on it. So if you need to complete your collection, or you just wanted some Krugerrands, they are available as of now. And as far as I'm aware, I think these are the first ones in the country. So grab them while you can. You want to add anything to it?
Thanks for watching.
So like, share, subscribe, all the good things, and we'll talk again soon. See ya.